You're listening to the Silicon Valley Podcast.
On today's show, we stand with Avram Miller. In 1991, he co-founded Intel Capital, which became one of the top corporate venture capital groups in the world.
And we decided that we had three objectives. The first was to provide strategic insight to the company. By working with companies that were further out and in different businesses, we would have a lens on the world that Intel wouldn't have normally in doing core business. The second was, could we do things that would expand the business of the company, that would grow the market for the businesses that we already had? And the third thing was, could we get a good return on the investment? And so those were the three things. And we knew that getting a good return on the investment was a requirement, because if we didn't get it, they wouldn't let us do it. And if we did make money, they would leave us alone. So that was a critical part of it.